So I finally figured out how to make my videos look better. Which honestly felt like discovering fire. Although I apparently forgot one thing. There we go. And the crazy part is, I didn't buy a new camera or some expensive lighting. I spent weeks thinking my videos looked bad because I didn't have the right lighting. Some were good, and others not so much. But apparently the problem wasn't just my lighting. It was me having absolutely no idea what editing software could actually do. And honestly, that was both encouraging and a little bit annoying. I was watching another creator talk about editing and suddenly realized editing software can fix way more than I thought. I started experimenting. Turns out small changes make a huge difference. I mostly adjusted brightness and contrast and temperature and the shadows. Same camera, same room, same lighting, same exhausted middle-aged guy, completely different video. And the funny part is, I thought I needed to spend money on high-end equipment. Turns out, I mostly needed to learn some things. Then I realized my audio still sounded like I was recording inside a bathroom sometimes. So I started learning basic audio cleanup too. And again, editing software fixed way more than I expected. That tiny change alone made the videos feel way more professional. And honestly, if you're over 40 and trying to figure out this stuff too, hit that subscribe button below. Because this channel is basically watching a grown man stumble through YouTube and trying to figure it out. And by the way, I learned a lot of this stuff from a guy named Trevor Jones. He's really good at explaining editing in a way that beginners can actually understand, which obviously I need. So if you want a deeper tutorial on this stuff, definitely check out his channel right here. The weird thing about learning YouTube later in life is realizing how many problems aren't actually, equipment problems, they're knowledge problems. And honestly, realizing I can improve my videos without spending thousands of dollars, that was a pretty good feeling.